This soft white powder started as something you'd never expect, a tade, a single ear of corn. This factory turns entire truckloads of corn into pure starch every single day.
Let me show you how corn becomes pure starch, step by step.
It all begins in the fields, with corn grown for exactly this purpose.
Modern harvesters can clear entire fields in a single pass. From here, the corn begins its journey to the factory.
Every truckload is weighed and logged the moment it arrives. Before anything enters the mill, it's checked and recorded. Moisture and quality are tested on every single load.
Once approved, the corn moves into massive storage silos.
Before processing begins, every kernel is cleaned thoroughly. A gentle blast of air removes anything that isn't corn. What's left is pure, clean corn, ready for its transformation. Now the corn soaks for hours in warm water. This softens the kernel and begins loosening the starch inside. Every tank is monitored closely for exact time and temperature.
After steeping, the kernel is soft enough to break apart easily.
A gentle first grind cracks the kernel open without destroying it. Spinning force separates the lightweight germ from the rest of the kernel. The germ is saved separately tieri. It's valuable for corn oil production. What's left still holds the starch, fiber, and protein. A finer grind fully releases the starch trapped inside the fiber. Screens catch the leftover fiber, letting the starch-rich liquid pass through. Even the fiber gets rinsed to recover every last bit of starch. What remains now is a milky mixture of starch and protein. Now starch and protein need to be pulled apart. Spinning forces the heavier starch to separate from the protein.
The protein becomes gluten meal parvar, used in animal feed.
This is the starch, still needing several more washes to become pure. Multiple wash stages remove any last trace of protein.
With every wash, the starch gets purer and whiter.
This is nearly pure starch, Andrew, just still full of water. A vacuum filter pulls out most of the remaining water. What's left is a damp, dense starch cake. It still needs to lose its moisture before it becomes powder. Hot air instantly turns the damp cake into a fine, dry powder. In just seconds, the moisture is gone completely. Moisture is checked constantly to keep the powder perfectly dry. Now it finally looks like the powder you'd recognize. A final sieve makes sure every particle is perfectly fine. This is cornstarch in its purest, finished form. Every batch is tested in the lab before it's approved. Purity and moisture levels have to meet an exact standard. Only starch that passes every test moves on to packaging. Now the finished starch is ready for its bag. Now the finished starch is ready for its bag. Each bag is filled to the exact same weight, every time. A tight stitch seals in the freshness. Stacked and wrapped, ready for the warehouse. From here, it's just days away from a kitchen shelf near you.
From a single ear of corn to this bag of pure starch of Fakten. That's the whole process.